in 30 days. It is what's called a spec home. So it fell out of escrow, and now the builder is offering a deep discount on this home. It's under $600,000, and it's located in the East Valley area of Mesa. What's really exciting about this area is there's a lot of new businesses moving in. For example, Facebook is building a brand new location. There's going to be a lot of employees moving into Facebook, and also Apple, Google, and Amazon. So there's going to be a lot of equity buildup in the homes in this area. So get into these homes now while you can, because in a couple of years there's going to be a lot of equity in these homes.